Los Cernícalos ravine hiking route is one of the most spectacular experiences of the island. And one of the wonders of this ravine are its magnificent waterfalls through which water flows non-stop throughout the year. Hiking through the Barranco de los Cernícalos is very easy and fun. In fact, it is a fortunate area because there is always water flowing, and its vegetation remains green and lush. Important: some people may not be able to reach the last waterfall, as the path can be difficult. However, the most beautiful point of the route, the Great Waterfall, is located only about 3 kilometers from the start.